Welcome to the Unique Views YouTube channel. We have been bringing new motivational videos for you. Today's video may be as important as you wish. In this video, we are talking about healthy eating habits, especially focusing on how to build healthy eating habits following the rules of the law of attraction. Please watch this video from start to finish and don't forget to subscribe if you are new to this channel. I am grateful that I have taken the reference from the book Law of Attractions, namely 101 Powerful Ways to Use the Law of Attractions, written by Dr. Steph G. Jones and Frank Mangano for this video. Let's begin. To change the way you eat using the Law of Attractions, you will need to change the way you think about food. Your relationship with food has more to do with developing healthy eating habits through your thoughts. If so, what to do? What to do now? First of all, you will need to change your deep rooted beliefs about food that have caused you not to eat healthy in the past. Understanding that eating unhealthy food causes more harm than good will help you be more likely to choose healthier eating habits. Imagine yourself feeling healthier and having more energy when you eat the foods that are healthy and feeling unhealthy and tired when you eat poorly. Use positive affirmations to retrain your brain into realizing the connections between a better you and eating healthy. Lastly, you could turn to a hypnosis recording that address these issues on the deepest level of the subconscious. Now, I am giving some important tips for practicing affirmations to build healthy eating habits. Please practice these affirmations wholeheartedly. I enjoy eating healthy foods because they make me think and feel better. When I eat healthy, I feel very good about myself and have no regrets. I am able to control my cravings and choose healthy alternatives easily. My healthy eating habits help me live a longer life with better health. I continue to improve my healthy eating habits as I learn more about nutrition. Now, let us discuss the visualization technique for building healthy eating habits. Please pay attention to this chapter for a while. This chapter is also important for you if you want to change your thoughts about eating habits. Do this exercise upon waking up in the morning while you are still in bed to get your day started off right. When you picture healthy food, visualize that it goes into your stomach and makes you feel energized, full, and healthy. Imagine that the taste of the healthy food makes you mouth water and gives you a feeling that you are doing something wonderful for yourself. Now visualize junk food and other unhealthy things in your diet and picture how they will make you feel nasty inside. Imagine that they are poison and that eating them will remove years of your life and make you feel sick. Visualize that this food tastes like chemicals and disgust you. Even the thoughts of taking a bite would make you nauseous. Now use one or all of the affirmations and feel good about making healthy choices all day long. Thank you guys. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you learned a lot about healthy eating habits. Please comment if you have any on this video. Thank you. Bye bye. Take care and see you in the next new video. Thank you.